Introducing the Form 3B, our first 3D printer designed specifically to meet the high demands of dental professionals. Featuring our groundbreaking new low-force stereolithography technology, the Form 3B is the most accurate Formlabs printer yet. Models and appliances printed on the Form 3B have unmatched surface quality and clarity due to the reduction of forces during the print process. And a refined, completely self-contained new light engine ensures the 25-micron XY resolution laser moves consistently across the print volume, delivering dental parts that are precise and extremely accurate. We also raised the game when it comes to reliability, and your business needs a 3D printing solution you can rely on for non-stop production. So we optimized the Form 3B to run 24/7, equipping it with a multitude of smart sensors, remote printing capabilities, and user-replaceable components. Our new dental service plan includes personalized onboarding training, proactive check-ins, and the best phone support in the industry. And with a vast and always expanding library of materials finely tuned for dental-specific applications, including many biocompatible resins, you'll be able to print anything, from models to directly printed products like full dentures and surgical guides. Whether you are a dental practice, dental lab, or orthodontics practice, see for yourself how the Form 3B takes the guesswork out of dental fabrication and brings better clinical outcomes just a few clicks away.